the end of our sail for today. It's a cracker of a day. Some volcanoes out there. Girls are just chilling out in the cockpits. Grounders downstairs. And we're heading to Kelefesia Island. About another 3.5 miles. And then we'll be in our anchorage for the night. Yeah, not far now, almost there. And a nice stiff breeze, 10 knots. Not too stiff, but full sail. Yeah, it's a cracker of a day. Delicious. Will, handmade pasta. How good is that?
Oh, you're going to dip it in boil it straight away together?
Yeah.
I'd never get handmade pasta with my hands.
We didn't let him do it.
Look at handmade something of the pasta.
But we've got many days to eat this year.
Not going to complain about Pangai. Indeed, yes. Well, it's a beautiful morning here in Kelefesia Island. I've come the girls into doing 7 before we get to swim. 7 is some form of exercise program that's pre-recorded. It's only 10 knots. That's not so bad. How's the water?
Really nice. Lovely.
Yeah.
Church.
Off to church.
Just tonight.
Exactly.
Virgin again.
Yeah, that's it. Very godly.
Like there was rocks coming out.
Yeah, well, just hang on to the boat. Take your time. Like, hang on to the boat. That was like the first thing. You can grab me the rope, please. Okay.
Make your bag like that.
Yeah. You got my bag. See you later.
Come back glowing.
Oh, I didn't bring the radio, but anyway, I'll just wave at you.
Swim out.
Yeah. What kind of tree is it?
Mango, I wonder.
Same.
Oh my goodness. Oh, I see what you mean.
Oh.
Is it but no only taking? Oh. How long does it take to cook the pig?
Oh, a bit time ago.
Oh, 1 hour.
Okay.
In half.
On fire?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fire.
Good afternoon.
well entertained. Got invited over to someone's house for lunch.
Okay. Lunch or what?
Yeah. Morning. Big pig.
Pig.
Nice.
And
La, what is it?
Lou.
Two.
Lou. Oh, we met your friend Lou, Lotu as well.
Yeah,
Shall I,
he came down and harassed me.
Oh,
shall I grab that rope?
Stay away! Stop touching me!
They're scared of us. They're very soft and sweet.
Okay. You do a good job of not filling your suitcase, Sonia.
Yeah, well, I had food and pencils and shit that I've now taken out. So.
Anything else, Trevor?
No. Rubbish is in there.
Bye, Trevor. Bye, but in TinTin.
Bye. I'm driving.
There's TinTin. Beautiful.
Great resort though. We were there a few days ago. Oh, we're not staying there, but hanging out there. It all actually worked out very well, didn't it? It's actually very smooth and organising it. And
Everything, really. Except for Trevor's sickness. Really haven't had any incidences.
No, I've been pretty event-free, which is good.
And really good weather too.
Yeah, weather's been outstanding. Yeah, been very lucky.
All of this with the rest of the trip.
Do you like a hug?
Yeah.
Come back and you'll be full sailing master.
Take care. Safe flight home.
Yeah.
Showing them afterwards.
Yeah, no, my pleasure.
Yeah.
All right,
Have a
take
fantastic
care.
time.
Safe trip home.
For all your
Joy Fifi for 4
hospitality.
months.
back to the boat, back to TinTin. Just Trevor and I. Now, 4 months or so, 4 months? Mid-July, August, September, October, maybe 3.5 months. Just really talking to you, Trevor.
I want to help you aboard.
Let me chuck that stuff in there. How about we row?
Sorry?
How about we row?